As for the speaking section, here the changes were more than those in the listening and reading. Before the change, there used to be 6 tasks, 2 independent and 4 integrated. They would give you 20 minutes to solve them. But after the change, they decrease it into 4 tasks, 1 independent and 3 integrated. They would give you 17 minutes to solve them. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Abu Bakr and welcome to our channel. Today in this video we'll be addressing the TOEFL recent changes. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on, and now we'll get into it. The TOEFL iBT test has 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking and writing, allowing 30 minutes for check-in. TOEFL listening, reading and speaking have undergone minimal changes. We can see the changes developed in the following 2 tables. As you guys know, we have 2 tables. First we will go through this one and then we will go through this one. So as you guys know, before August 1st, 2019, here before the changes, here after the changes. So in the reading section, there used to be 3 reading passages as a standard, 12 up to 14 questions each. The minutes are 60 minutes for this one. Then after the change, 3 reading passages, 10 questions or 9 questions, and the minutes decreased into 54 minutes. Okay, so 3 and 3 after the change, and before the change still 3 as a standard. So in the listening, 4 lectures and 2 conversations. The total is 6 tasks here. As a standard, there used to be 6 tasks here, 60 minutes for this one. But after the change, 3 lectures. It decreased into 3 lectures. The conversations remained as it is, 2 conversations. That brings us to total of 5 tasks. And the minutes decreased into 41 minutes. So here as a standard we have 5 tasks. Here before the change 6 tasks. So 1 task was removed, and it should be noted that either in the reading you could have extra part, or you could have extra part in the listening section, but not both. So if they gave you the extra part on the reading, they would give you 4 reading passages. The questions from 12 up to 14 questions. The minutes for the 4 passages would be 80 minutes. This is before the change. But after the change, if they gave you extra part, it would be 4 reading passages, 10 or 9 questions. The minutes would be 72. This is after the change. If they gave you the extra part on the listening, they would give 6 lectures and 3 conversations. The total is 9 tasks. The 9 tasks, you could solve them in 90 minutes. This is before the change, but after the change they decrease it into 4 lectures rather than 6. As for the conversations, still as it is. So that brings us to total of 7 tasks. And the 7 tasks, they would give you 57 minutes to solve them. So here 7, but before the change it used to be 9, so 2 tasks were removed. As for the speaking section, here the changes were more than those in the listening and reading. Before the change, there used to be 6 tasks, 2 independent and 4 integrated. They would give you 20 minutes to solve them. But after the change, they decrease it into 4 tasks, 1 independent and 3 integrated. They would give you 17 minutes to solve them. As for writing, there were no changes. Now we'll be talking about the speaking section in much details. So before the change, we used to have 6 tasks, 2 independent and 4 integrated tasks. But after the change, they removed the first one and removed the task number 5. So we are left with 4 tasks. So now in task 1 here, the independent, you talk about basic opinion about general topic. As for task 2, the integrated, you will see a reading passage and then you will listen to a conversation, then you going to answer it. As for task 3, the integrated, you are going to see a reading passage and listen to a lecture, then you're going to answer it. This one was removed. So task 4, integrated one, you are going to listen to a lecture only. There is no reading passage here. As for the listening, there were only 1 lecture removed, the last one. So in the listening, you have question 1, conversation between 2 people, question 2, lecture, question 3, lecture, question 4, conversation, question 5, lecture, question 6 was removed. Before I end this video, I'd recommend you guys to watch this video. After watching this video, you guys are going to connect the dots. And thank you guys for watching. I hope this video makes sense to you. I'll see you in the next videos.